Hello, I am Professor Kakade Ramesh Machindra from Arsu Technical Campus, MBA Department. So, subject name is Service Marketing and chapter name is Introduction to Service Marketing. Today I will discuss your point consumer expectation of the service. What is meant by consumer expectation? That is customer satisfaction. Customer satisfaction is the most important any organization. Okay, so introduction. Customer recognize their needs which create a buying ability. Okay, in them, in order to fulfill their needs and wants, people look for product and services which will serve the purpose. Means they are mentally prepared to spend a responsible amount of the money purchase something they desire. So they also consider various options available in the market to compare and select the best one. Means similarly for service to the have high expectation, service provided understand the importance of customer behavior and act according. They try to fulfill each and every want of a customer by regarding quality and satisfaction. Service as there are multiple options available in the market. Even the service sector, it does not take long for a customer leave on a company and go for the other. Thus, it is important to maintain the quality of the service being provided because competitors are waiting to grab all the customer even the possible chance. So service sector also means dealing with the customer directly and thus it majorly work on the two important factors that are confidence and trust. Confidence and trust is the most important factor. Confidence and trust is the most important factor in the any company, any organization, and customer satisfaction. So next point, factor consumer expectation of service. Factor of consumer expectation of service means it is a natural tendency amongst people keep expectation. Similarly, even the service provided, people have high experience the under the various condition. Means marketers working hard to find out as to what are the factors that actually shape up a buyer expectation and in what ways they can control the same. Means however it is also true that not all the factors are controllable or easy to manage. Okay, basically there are three major sources of customer expectation of service. These live being fairly further subdivided as maintained below. So first one, source of desired service expectation means philosophy and personal need about service are the two main influences of the desired service expectation. First one, personal need. Personal need means most important point consumer satisfaction. What is meant by personal need? Personal need means are the main factor which decide what a customer expects from the service as per his personal need and wants he will be damaging the desired service. So it is countable under the various category like social needs, physical needs and psychological needs. Social need, physical needs and psychological needs is the most important point. All the customer are different in nature and thus the are divided into various categories like a damaged customer, sensitive customer, angry customer, easygoing ones and more. thus based on their personal characteristic and wants the are grouped under various titles. So, for example, if a person who wants to watch a movie straight after work will automatically expect a quality food and counter as well as faith we have hungry and tired. However, a person who has eaten all the Vivo movie may not expect such service. He is all strength going in for the movie and back to home. So second point, lasting service. What is in by lasting service? Lasting service means are also known as deferred service expectation because here a customer expectation are usually diverted by another customer or a group of people. It involves some stable and individual factor which leads the customer to a highlight sensitive of service. Means for example of business to business service, when the software crash or when the computer equipment is not working, the customer of the insurance company pressures the departmental head to work of the same at the earliest. Thus, in such cases, a manager or supervisor is forced by his customer to fulfill their expectation and this bring in the desired service expectation. It's similar cases. So, lasting service is most important in any criteria. So, second part, source of adequate service expectation. Sources of adequate service expectation. There are various factors that affect adequate service, the level of service at which a customer finds satisfaction. Generally, these are all short term influence and they tend to factor even more than the actual desire. Service following are the five main factors that influence advanced service. So, first one is temporary service. Temporary service. So, temporary service means in temporary service there are individual and short term factors that arise out of the needs for service amongst people. For example, when there is an accident or when there is a need for a car insurance or when there is a breakdown of computer system during the peak hour of the day, they the level adequate service expectation rise automatically. Level or responsible the problem with the first time service may also increase the expectation of the service. For example, when the service fails for the first time, they are the even higher hopes and restless for the second time service. Thus, in such cases, temporary service they are in increase the level of service and even the zone will narrow down. So, second one is perceived service alternative. Perceived service alternative means are the other available option that the customer can consider when a need if there are multiple options to choose for the quality and service. However, when a person does not have much option in the market to choose from the he will not complain much and will adjust to any kind of service available for the moment. For example, a person who is staying in a small town with the nearly airport option will consider only that option as compared to a person who is from a big city and thus have multiple options to choose from. In this way, option available of expectation of quality and adequate service increase and even the tolerance level of zero down. So next one is customer self perceived service. Customer self perceived service means most important point, customer is perceived service, that is, this is third factor where our customer himself decides the adequacy level of the service. If he is highly involved, the customer process the his expectation also increase and gets dissatisfaction if the service does not meet the expectation, where if the customer is not much involved in the service process, means leaves the entire case of the service provided, then his expectation will remaining the low, he will mostly satisfied what are the guests. That is most important point. Next point is situation factor. What is meant by situation factor? Situation factor means are temporary and short term emergency due to which customer believe and accept the service quality. Quality men do not adequate the out of the employee's control. For example, during food or storm are the affect large number of people at the same time. The pressure on the insurance company increase which form the picture in people minds that in accuracy service level drop down to the overcrowd demand. Means customer realize that it is not the company fault but the natural emergency which lead the delay or low quality service, the hence will be automatically lower their expectation level. In general, when the expectation level are lower down, the tolerance level increase the similarly. So next one point, predicted service. Predicted service means in the predicted service a customer predicted as to what kind of the service he will get, the thus his expectation level factor of according. For example, a customer will expect poor service from the no fill airline compared to the full costing airline, thus his situation and immediately prepare to recover the poor service. Similarly, during festival time, a customer is mentally prepared that the call center of mobile phone companies will customer render poor service at the said time as the compared to the other regular days. This is because during the festival time, a lot of people are sitting in their new service for mobile, which they have received a gift, thus in such as the tolerance zone wide the level in servers also process. So next one is sources birth of desire predictive service expectation. Means consider the above, the highlight a group 4 factor of the right hand side and influence the both desire as well as predictive service expectation. They have been explained below. So first one, word of mouth communication. Its most important part, word of mouth communication. That is, people believe a lot taking feedback from other before buying anything, thus reference and word of mouth communication among the buyers influence the expected service level to a great extent. Word of mouth communication. So next one, past experience. Past experience of buyers also majorly influence the desired and predicted service level. This is from direct comparison which a buyer makes with his past experience if he has received poor service. For example, if a patient has had a bad experience with some medical particular, they he may have low desire and can predict his future visit based on the last one. So most important point, consumer expectation of service. So thank you.